Discover how 90% people suffering from chronic joints pain, neck, back and frozen shoulder pains experienced remarkable long-lasting relief. Here is a true story of how German pediatrician doctor got a complete breakthrough relief from rheumatoid arthritis. I am Dr. Smita Naram, expert of ancient proven health solutions.
My name is Dr. Mira Ulrich from Germany. I'm a pediatrician working the last 44 years, and at the age of 60, and now I'm 73, I suddenly found that my hands were paining, my wrists were swollen, and I wasn't able to hold even a pen, and had difficulty in going up the stairs. As a very active person all my life, I was horrified with the diagnosis of rheumatoid arthritis. I decided 3 months after the beginning of my illness to come to Ayushakti, and after 3 weeks I had the feeling a switch had been changed in my body. My pains were gone and I was able to go the stairs. My life has been completely transformed through Ayurveda. I am convinced that chronic illnesses, particularly autoimmune illnesses, can only be healed through Ayurveda, like in my case.
In last 32 years, expert Ayushakti doctors have helped more than 300,000 people, yes, more than 3 lakh people from 108 countries suffering from chronic joints pain and stiffness. Ancient 2500 years old lineage of Siddhaveda believes that excessive air bubbles deposited in the joints creates pop-up sound, pain and stiffness, and excessive toxins piled up creates blockages, inflammation and degeneration of joints.
Ayushakti's Arthrox program is 100% natural. It focuses on pulling out toxins and air bubbles from the deeper tissues. It gives long-lasting relief from pain, inflammation and stiffness that promotes strong joints and increasing your mobility and flexibility so that you experience painless and sound sleep.
An Ayushakti doctor will guide you personally for the right diet, customized herbal remedy, detox plan and pain relieving pressure points.
Are you tired of trying everything out and nothing is really working for you when it comes to severe joint pains? Well, here is how you can help yourself in experiencing long and lasting relief from your chronic pain by booking a consultation with an expert Ayushakti doctor.
Couldn't do anything before. I had to walk with a stick. They keep increasing my medication, different type of medication. And they gave me an injection which brought my immune system completely down. And I was very ill with that, picking all sorts of infection. And then I heard about the Ayushakti and I thought, let me try that. And then I started that in December. And comparing to what I was last year, I'm a lot better. I'm walking a lot better. I went to Malaysia and there was a temple which we went. It's about 525 steps. And I did it. I couldn't believe it.
As per 3 international research papers published in US-based scientific journals, it is proven that Ayushakti's Arthrox treatment helped to reduce chronic pain safely, and 90% people on the program felt more relaxed and energized by getting rid from habit of taking painkillers, and even they got significant relief from pain and inflammation. Even X-ray shows repair in bones and cartilages.
Based on this research, we are confident that Ayushakti's practitioner will help you to create a significant improvement in your chronic pain and stiffness in just 60 days.
I had symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Swellings came up on my hands and they were stiff. So I went to the GP. He did some blood tests and it came out positive. And then they wanted to give me harsh medicine well, it's not a cure, but just to suppress it, which could affect my kidneys and livers. I had to go for blood test every 2 weeks, and I was scared. I didn't want to take it. So I said, let me think about something else. That's how I learnt about Ayushakti. I went on the site, and then I thought I better come and see Smita Naram on one of the clinics. So I saw her in 2014. I got medicine, which worked, and with strict diet and everything. For 6 months I took it. I was better, and then I didn't reorder.
Now you have seen the results. You can definitely overcome the chronic and unbearable pain and feel more independent than ever by taking a consultation with an Ayushakti doctor. Just by clicking the link below can help you change your life forever.
For how long do you want to be dependent on temporary painkillers? And how long do you want to wait until it damages your system? We care for you and would like to hold your hands to help you in your path of healing.
My name is Sujata. I am from Pune, and I got the reference of Ayushakti from a friend of mine. So I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, and I have been taking this treatment from April onwards. Then I did my detoxification process in May, June. So earlier it was very difficult to follow the diet and take the medicines on a daily basis. But after June, July, all my pain and all had reduced almost 70 to 80% after the detox, and it helped me a lot. So now also I'm still on my taking my medications, but I'm really happy to see the progress, and I would like to tell all my friends and well-wishers to come to Ayushakti and take help.
So here is your last chance on grabbing the opportunity for helping yourself on this powerful healing path. Go ahead and click on the link below.